This episode explores turning travel delays into productive moments, a practical mindset that transforms waiting into progress today. The host, during a Lisbon layover, sketches a project blending language practice with coding tasks for a side venture. Listeners learn to curate a portable toolkit including a compact notebook, offline tasks, a phone stand, and reflections. Personal anecdotes show how small wins during long flights sharpen focus, cut stress, and spark cultural curiosity. The takeaway is simple: plan flexible routines, chase serendipity, and let travel become a classroom that travels with you everywhere.